Have you ever tried to import an MP3 into After Effects, but there's no sound when you press play? In this video, I'll show you a few simple things to check to fix this problem. First, look at your timeline. Make sure your audio layer is not muted. Check that the audio icon is turned on. If that looks fine, go to the preview panel. If you don't see it, go to Window Arrow Preview or press Ctrl+3. Inside the preview panel, make sure Play Audio during preview is enabled. Next, go to Composition Arrow Preview and make sure the audio icon is checked there as well. If you still don't hear anything, go to Edit Arrow Preferences Arrow Audio Hardware. Set the device class to MME and choose the correct default output device, usually your speakers or headphones. If none of these things work, don't worry, there's still an easy solution. MP3 files are compressed, so After Effects has to work harder to play them. WAV files are uncompressed and much easier for it to handle. Just convert your MP3 to WAV. You can do it on this website, freeconvert.com. Just choose U files from device. Make sure the output is selected WAV and press convert. When it's finished, press download and save in folder. Import this file again and it will usually work right away. I'll leave a link to a converter in the description. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. It helps this kind of simple problem-solving content reach other people who are stuck with the same issue. Thank you.